Understanding the phrase, bring to the fold. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, bring to the fold. This expression is a gem in the English language, often used in both formal and informal contexts. Understanding it can enrich your English communication skills. So, let's explore its meaning, origin, and how to use it effectively. Bring to the fold is a phrase that means to include someone in a group or organization, especially someone who was previously not a part of it. It's about welcoming new members into a community, group, or belief system. The key here is the notion of inclusion and belonging. This phrase has a pastoral or agricultural origin. In olden times, a fold was an enclosure for sheep. When a shepherd would bring a sheep to the fold, it meant they were bringing it into the safety and community of the flock. This imagery beautifully translates into the modern usage of the phrase, symbolizing safety, community, and acceptance. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. In a corporate setting, the new CEO aims to bring innovative thinkers to the fold to revitalize the company. 2. In a social context, the club is making efforts to bring more local residents into the fold to strengthen community ties. 3. In a personal scenario, after years of estrangement, she finally brought her brother back into the family fold. While bring to the fold is the standard expression, you might also hear, welcome to the fold, gather into the fold, brought back into the fold. Each variation retains the core idea of inclusion and belonging. I hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate the phrase, bring to the fold. It's a wonderful expression that encapsulates the human desire for community and belonging. Use it in your conversations to add depth and empathy. Happy learning, and see you in our next language exploration.